Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 11 of Geography, that is Life in the Hot and Cold Deserts. Dear students, this is the first module of this chapter. So let's begin this module with a question. What is a desert? Dear students, desert is an arid region characterized by extremely high or low temperatures and has scarce vegetation. So dear students, on the basis of temperature and location, the deserts of the world are divided into two categories: hot desert and cold desert. Hot deserts are found in tropical regions, for example, Sahara Desert. And cold deserts are found in high altitudes of the temperate regions, for example, Ladakh. So let's discuss about the Sahara Desert, that is the hottest and largest desert in the world. Dear students, first of all, we shall study about the location of Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert covering a large part of North Africa. It is the world's largest desert. It has an area of around 8.54 million square kilometer. The Sahara Desert touches 11 countries such as Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, and Western Sahara. Topography. Dear students, only a quarter of the Sahara Desert is covered with sand, and the rest of its surface has plateaus, plains, and mountains. Thus, the Sahara Desert has a huge rocky surface. At some places, these rocky surfaces have a height of about 2500 meter. Dear students, oases and sand dunes are also the major noticeable features of the Sahara Desert. Oasis refers to a place in a desert at which sufficient water is available for permanent plant growth and human settlement. And sand dunes are deposits of wind-borne sand. Dear students, these deposits form many types of landforms in the deserts. They look like small hills or pyramids of sand. They may rise between 200 meter to 400 meter above the ground. Its climate. Dear students, the climate of Sahara Desert is scorching hot and parched dry. It has a short rainy season. Dear students, the sky is cloudless and clear. Days are hot and the temperature may soar as high as 50 degrees Celsius, heating up the sand and the bare rocks, which in return radiates heat, making everything around hot. Dear students, in Sahara Desert, the night may be freezing cold with temperatures nearly 0 degrees. So dear students, that was all about this module. We shall continue this chapter in next module. Thank you.